Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem GameStop gift card online. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you'd like to redeem your gift card for GameStop, then follow the steps. Open up a web browser of your choice and in the web address bar, type in www.gamestop.com and press enter. Make sure that you're logged into your GameStop account by entering your credentials, and once you're logged in, go ahead and make a purchase online from GameStop in order to redeem your gift card. Add a product on your shopping cart, and once you've done that, click open your shopping cart. You'll be able to view your product that you've added in the basket. Click on proceed to check out in order to end up in the checkout page. Here, go ahead and enter your shipping information, and right under where it says payment, you should see an option that says add gift card or trade-in credit. Click it on, and in the text box that appears where it says gift card or trade-in number, type in your gift card number that is available at the back of your gift card. Now, right where it says PIN, type in your PIN number from your gift card as well. Finally, click on apply in order to redeem your gift card online with GameStop.com. That was how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.